In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Revolut App Keeps Stopping error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your Revolut app keeps on stopping, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to troubleshoot your app by going to settings on your phone. From settings, look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut, and now if you tap on it, you'll be taken to Revolut app info page. Here, go to for stop app and okay. Finally, go to clear data and clear cache, okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now this should work. However, if your app still keeps stopping, then you want to go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if we have any update for your Revolut app. Update it to the latest version. But even after updating, if this problem still occurs, for that you need to uninstall the app and install it afresh, because most likely this problem is caused by bugs on your app. To fix the bug, you need to uninstall and install the app afresh. At this point, now everything should be working without any issue. However, should you still encounter the same challenge, then you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN app or any security app that you recently installed on your phone. If you have any of this, uninstall them to fix this issue. At this moment, now everything should be done and your Revolut app should work without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.